let's go through 20 popular email marketing platforms that'll be suitable for you guys.
She's an icon, she's a legend, and she is the moment. Now come on now.
What's up, icons? It's the iconic fashion figure, and as I've mentioned previously, we're going to be focusing on email marketing for the next few videos, so that way you guys can utilize the email subscribers that you have been pulling using the free tool that I showed you in this video here. Now bear with me in this video. This one may be kind of on the longer side just because I really want to break down each one of these platforms so that way you can know which one is truly the best one for you. And then I'm going to have a second video with some other options, and I'll explain what the difference are at the end of this video. So let's go into number one. Number one, most of you are probably familiar with, and that is going to be Mailchimp. Mailchimp is one that I used when I first started my business, so I'm very familiar with Mailchimp, and I'm sure a lot of you are. Mailchimp is a very popular choice for small businesses. It is very user friendly. It has automation options. There's also analytics on there. There's segmentation on there. And if you don't know what I mean by all of those terms, my previous video, which I'll link here as well in the description box, you'll want to go check that out, where I discuss email marketing strategies every small business owner should know, and I explain all of those terms in that video. But back to Mailchimp. Mailchimp also connects to majority of the e-commerce platforms, so if you're using Shopify, Wix, WordPress, and a million other ones, Mailchimp does connect to it, and it's pretty easy to connect, which is why it's so user friendly. Now when it comes to pricing for Mailchimp has the option to create a free account up to 2,000 contacts. Otherwise, the paid plans start at $9.99 per month. You'll notice a lot of these platforms that I'm getting ready to list off for you are focused on the number of contacts, or some will say subscribers, that you have versus like a flat rate. But don't worry, I have some options that will be flat rates. You may have to wait for part 2 of this video because I'm separating them. Email marketing platform number 2 is going to be Constant Contact. You may have also heard of this one. I know they've had a lot of commercials out previously. I feel like I hear that commercial in my head still. But Constant Contact is easy to use as well. They have a strong customer support, so if you need help, they have a customer support that can help you. They do offer email templates. They offer segmentation and social media integration. And the pricing for Constant Contact starts out at $20 per month for up to 500 contacts. So there's no free plan here. You'll only get up to 500 contacts for that pricing. Otherwise, pricing goes up. And I do want to put the disclaimer out there that the pricing that I'm giving to you is the pricing at the time that I planned this video. Of course, pricing can change at any time, but this is what it is currently. Email marketing platform number 3, ConvertKit. And ConvertKit has customizable opt-in forms. So those pop-up forms that usually pop up as soon as you go into a website and they're encouraging you to sign up for their email campaigns. Those are the opt-in forms. They also offer automation and audience segmentation, and ConvertKit is designed for creators, but of course anyone can use it if you choose to. ConvertKit doesn't have a free plan. Pricing does start at $29 per month for up to 1,000 subscribers. Now some of the features that I'm listing off with each one of these, it's just a few that I'm throwing out there. A lot of these have the same features, but I'm just throwing a couple so that we're not sitting here all day with me listing every single feature. If you want to know all the features for one that you're interested in, definitely go check out their website. I'll be sure to put the websites on the screen for you. Email marketing platform number 4 is going to be GetResponse. And not only is GetResponse good for email marketing, they also have the option to create landing pages and also webinars. As far as their emails, you can automate emails on there. And then I'm just going to go straight into pricing since a lot of these features are the same. Plans for GetResponse starts at $15 per month for up to 1,000 subscribers. Email marketing platform number 5 is AWeber. I hope I'm saying that one right. But AWeber is known for its customer support and ease of use. They do have email templates available. They do have automation available. And then they also have the analytics available as well. Pricing starts at $19 per month for up to 500 contacts. Email marketing platform number 6 is going to be Campaign Monitor. Campaign Monitor is known for its easy drag and drop email builder. So for those of you that want to create your own emails, this would be good for you. They also have automation and a personalized customer journey. So basically you're following your customers on their journey and be able to send emails based off of their journey. Pricing starts at $9 per month for up to 500 subscribers. Number 7 is one that I am familiar with and also have experience with, and that is Drip. Drip is specifically designed for e-commerce businesses. Drip does offer segmentation, a drag and drop email builder, as well as automation. You can also personalize product recommendations. So like I mentioned, if someone's shopping for a specific product, you can send out that email to recommend other products that they may be interested in. And pricing for Drip is kind of up there because this one I would say is more for small to medium-sized businesses, not necessarily micro, but it starts at $19 per month for up to 500 subscribers. And that may not sound like a lot until you increase that number of subscribers. You'll see how that price jumps up. Number 8 is what I've known to be as Sendinblue. And if any of you are familiar with email marketing, you may be familiar with Sendinblue, but they've actually changed their name and it's now Brevo. So we'll call it Brevo for this video, even though that's not the name I'm familiar with. But Brevo is an all-in-one marketing platform. So there's things such as email marketing, SMS marketing. You can do WhatsApp campaigns on there. There's even a sales platform on there. And Brevo does offer a free plan for up to 300 contacts. Let me correct myself because Brevo is not about the number of contacts. It is based off the number of emails you send. So it's a free plan for up to 300 emails per day. And then the paid plans start out at $25 per month. So this will go based off the number of emails you plan on sending out. If you don't have that many subscribers and you'll be sending less than 300 emails per day, this would be good for you. But if you're sending out to thousands of emails like I've used in my free tool that I've given you, then this one may not be for you. Email marketing platform number 9 is ActiveCampaign. And ActiveCampaign is known for its advanced automation features because remember, automation is important. So if you want those advanced automation features, this one may be for you. And along with email marketing, ActiveCampaign also offers a CRM tool, which I've mentioned probably last year, maybe 2 years ago, but CRM tools are really important and good to have. And then there's also a sales automation tool as well. Pricing for ActiveCampaign starts at $9 per month for up to 500 contacts. Next, we're going into one of my favorites. So email marketing platform number 10 is going to be HubSpot. And you guys know I've mentioned HubSpot quite a few times if you watch my videos in the past. HubSpot offers basically everything. HubSpot has a lot there, and you can see from the excitement, I love what HubSpot has to offer. I'm not even going to list off everything that they offer just because I feel like I talk about HubSpot for a lot of different things. So I'm just going to link it for you guys to be able to check out. I personally use it mainly for its CRM tool, but of course there's email marketing as well. Actually, for my Fashion Formula 101 brand, I use HubSpot emails for that because my list is still small there. I haven't even used my own free tool for that business yet, but I do need to do that. And then maybe I'll consider switching because the free plan is only available for up to 2,000 contacts. So similar to Mailchimp, 2,000 is pretty decent amount. But with HubSpot, once you pass that 200 threshold, the paid plans start at $50 per month. So you decide if you want to pay that, if you prefer to switch to a different one. But let's go into number 11. Number 11 is going to be Keep, formerly known as Infusionsoft, but I remember Keep. I don't remember that other name, so we'll go with Keep. And Keep is designed for small businesses. Keep has both email marketing and then they also have a CRM tool as well. And they do have automation features as well as some other features that you can check out. The pricing for Keep is up there, which is why I said small business, maybe even medium-sized businesses. I wouldn't necessarily recommend it for micro businesses, but just for you guys to have another option as well as the pricing for it, it starts out at $79 per month for up to 500 contacts. I think this is one of the more expensive ones on this list. Only 500 contacts and it's $79 per month. But of course, I don't want to bash their business because I want you to go check out the other things that they offer and why they actually charge $79 per month. Some of you will find the value in it, especially if you're a growing business. Email marketing platform number 12 is going to be MailerLite. And just to throw out a couple features, there's automation available, there's personalization tools available, and of course you can create your email campaigns on there. MailerLite is free for up to 1,000 subscribers. Then after that, the paid plans start out at $10 per month. Email marketing platform number 13 is MoveSend. And MoveSend is known for its AI powered features. This is one of the ones that truly focuses on AI, and you guys know know how I feel about AI, and I do recommend for you to use it for your business. AI is something you're interested in, check out Moosend. Of course, there's automation. That's where the AI comes into play. And then there's personalization tools as well. Moosend does offer a free plan for up to 1,000 subscribers. And then the paid plans start at only $8 per month. We're almost at the end of this list. Email marketing platform number 14. And number 14 is SendGrid. SendGrid is a cloud-based email service. They're known for their email delivery optimization, which is really important because that means that your emails are more likely to make it into the inbox versus going to spam. That is going to be very important when you're picking one of these platforms. And of course, they have analytics and then API integration to make it easy to connect to your website. Pricing at SendGrid starts out at $14.95 per month for up to 50,000 emails. So this one is also email based and not subscriber based, so you'll have the option to send up to 50,000 emails at that $14.95 per month. Number 15 is Mailchimp, and Mailchimp is known for its transaction emails, so like those order confirmations, order reminders, shipping reminders, those type of emails. And then they also have automation as well, which those transaction emails usually are automated, so you're not manually sending them out. Mailchimp has a free plan available for up to 6,000 emails per month, and then the paid plans start out at $9.65 per month. That number is very specific, but $9.65 per month for the paid plans. Then we're going into number 16, which is ActiveTrail, which I feel like I just gave that one. Did I? No, I did ActiveCampaign before, so number 16 is ActiveTrail. And ActiveTrail offers both email marketing and SMS marketing, and I'm gonna have to start speeding this up before my camera dies. So the pricing for ActiveTrail starts out at $7.50 per month for up to 500 contacts. Number 17 is Benchmark Email, and Benchmark Email offers automation, analytics, you know, the usual. They do have a free plan available for up to 500 contacts, and then the paid plans start out at $13.99 per month. Email platform number 18 is Emma. Emma offers audience segmentation, automation, and you know, the usuals. Pricing for this one is expensive. I thought Keep was the most expensive one on my list, but I was wrong. Emma is actually the most expensive at $89 per month, but that is up to 1,000 contacts versus Keep was 500 contacts, but they're both up there. Then we're going to email marketing platform number 19, which is OmniSend. You may have heard of that one. This one is specifically designed for e-commerce. They offer both email marketing and SMS marketing, and a lot of their things are automated. OmniSend does have a free plan available for up to 500 subscribers. Then the paid plans start out at $16 per month. And finally, the last one for this video, email marketing platform number 20 is going to be Zoho Campaigns, which I also have experience with that as well. I actually use a lot of the Zoho platform because it's very affordable and beginner friendly. Zoho Campaign does have like a drag and drop email builder. I will say it's not the best one, but they also do have automation, and then they do have analytics as well. Prices for Zoho Campaign starts out at $3 per month for up to 500 subscribers. So those are 20 of the most popular email marketing platforms that you can use. I try to give some information on each one so to help you out with determining which platform is best for you. But of course, you'll want to go and research the ones that you like the most to really determine what's best for you. Now, these are the ones that, you know, are easy to integrate with your website. They're beginner friendly, but a lot of these can become very expensive, especially if you're starting to send out to thousands of people like I want you guys to do. The cost for these can add up. Now, I do have ways to make it very affordable for you to send to thousands of email subscribers without having to pay these high rates. Again, these are ones that are for beginners that are learning and making it easier to connect. My next video is going to be the ones where it's not focused on the number of subscribers. Some of them will be, but you'll notice how much cheaper they are than these, but it's not as beginner friendly. So you may want to start with the ones in this video and then merge over to my next video, what I'm going to show you guys, because the next video is what I actually use right now. But I did start with these. So I've used Mailchimp, I've used Zoho Campaigns, I've tried these before, but they're no longer suitable for my business because of the amount of subscribers that I have now that I'm sending emails emails to. It's expensive using these. I am trying to make money, not throw away money. Part 2 to this video is coming up, and you'll see the more affordable options, and I'll also show you what it is that I'm using, and then we'll actually start getting into designing the email campaigns. But that's it for today's video of the 20 popular email marketing platforms that you can use. Thank you guys for watching.